Good morning, students. Yesterday I have given you one homework. The homework was write a program to input any character and check whether the character is digit, letter or special character using switch keys. Now you can see how we have done this program. First I will take a util package, import java.util.asterisk semicolon. Class I have taken check, this is the name of the class, public static void main. The P of public, S of static, V of void and M for of main are in small letter. As you know that Java is your case sensitive. Now string args and bracket close. Now char I have inputted C, scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, C is equal to sc.next.char at 0. So this was the way for inputting the character. Now switch C. Now we have to check whether the number is digit, character or a special character. So from case 0 to 9, it will print it as a digit. If user enter any number between 0 or 9, it is considered as a digit. So I have not written 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have just put this dot dot dot, but you have to write case 4, case 5, case 6, case 7, case 8, and then you will apply blank. Now to check whether the character is a letter or not, now the letter, all the 26 letters you will check, for small also and for capital letters from A to Z. I have applied here dot dot dot. This means you have to write C, D, E, F, G till Z, and now it will print. This is the case of fall through, as you know. So I will print system.out.println and your letter in double quotes. Now I have applied break over here. Now system.out.println special character, in default I have written. If user enters any other letter, any other thing other than these letters or other digits, it will be considered as your special characters. Now you can just check the output. If user enters 0, it will print your digit. If user enters A, it will enter. If user enter small b, it will print letter. Now the next program for switch case is write a program to input a number and press 1 to find the sum of first and the last digit. Press 2 to find the product of first and the last digit, and the number should be 3 digit. This is the condition I have applied in this program, that number should be 3 digit number. So let us check how we will do this program. Now import java.util.asterisk. Class I have taken check, public static void main string args, scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. I have taken two variables n and a, and I have taken number and a. I will pass this value in switch just to check whether the user will enter 1 or 2. Now I have taken this user input for n and a. Now I have applied the condition to check whether the digit is, whether the number should be 3 digit or not. If n lies between your 99 and 1000, that means your number is your 3 digit. It should be greater than 99. That means greater than 99 means 100, and less than 1000 means 999. So all these numbers will be included within these. Now I have applied switch A. Now bracket open, case 1. If user presses 1, how it will work? It will print sum is equal to plus n module 10 plus n/100. Now this will calculate n module 10. It calculates the last digit of a number, and n/100 I have written just to calculate the first digit of a number for 3-digit number. And now we have applied break over here. I have put plus sign between these two parts just to calculate the sum of the first and the last digit. After calculation, it will just add these two digits. Now break. Case 2, multiply plus n module 10 into n/100. Now in case 1, we were just finding the sum of the first and the last digit of a number, and in case 2, we have to find the product of first and the last digit of a number. So I have just put asterisk sign between these two numbers so that it will going to calculate the value. Now break default system.out.println wrong choice. Now if the number is not a 3-digit number, it will print not a 3-digit. Now just check the output of this program. If user presses 1, that means case 1, the cursor will move to case 1, the block will go to case 1. Now the number I have inputted is 423, and we have to calculate the sum of the first and the last digit for case 1. So what we will do, we will just divide it by 10 here. Now it has given the last digit of a number by n module 10. N is your 423, 10 is same, and module it returns your remainder. So 3 plus, now 423 divided by 100. Here I have put slash. Now we will take the quotient over here, remainder is 23, so it will just give the result 4, and we will just add these two numbers and it will print your sum is equal to 7. Now if user presses 3, so there is no case over here, 3 case is not present, so it will print your wrong choice. Thank you, students.